everyone. Welcome back to Learn English with Taylor.
Hi, friends. I'm Travis.
And I'm Taylor. We are two Americans, and we help you speak English with simple steps.
Simple English. Clear English.
Today's topic is how to train your brain to speak in English.
Oh, wow. Big topic.
Yes, but we will make it easy.
Please, my brain needs help.
Same. And this is also English listening practice. So listen, repeat, and speak with us.
Friends, don't just listen. Speak out loud.
Exactly. Your mouth needs practice. Your brain needs practice.
My mouth is ready. My brain is sleepy.
Then we will wake it up, gently.
Gently is good.
Quick warm-up question, Travis.
Okay.
When you want to speak English, what happens?
I know words, but my mind goes blank.
Very normal. Many learners feel that.
My brain is like, nope.
Today, we will train your brain like a small workout.
Brain gym.
Yes, not hard, just consistent.
Like brushing your teeth.
Perfect example. Small daily habit.
Before we start, remember you do not need big words. You need easy words, fast.
Yes, simple words, clear sentences, good rhythm.
Rhythm, like this. Short sentence, pause. Next sentence.
Oh, like a podcast.
Exactly.
Today, we will use 5 steps.
5 steps. I can do that.
And each step has a small practice.
Practice time.
Also, friends, please don't worry about your accent.
Yes, accent is okay.
The goal is communication.
Speak, understand, connect.
Great. Let's begin.
If you enjoy this lesson, please like this video
And subscribe to Learn English with Taylor.
and share it with a friend who wants to speak English.
Sharing helps the channel. Thank you. And now, let's train your brain. Step 1 is called Warm Up Your English Brain.
Like stretching before running.
Yes, before you speak, you need a warm-up.
What do I do?
2 minutes. That's it.
2 minutes sounds friendly.
Here is the idea. You will do easy English self-talk.
Self-talk? Talking to yourself?
Yes, in English.
People would think I'm crazy.
Do it quietly, or do it at home.
Okay.
Self-talk means you describe your life in simple English.
Like what?
Like, I am making coffee.
I am making coffee.
Or, I am walking to work.
I am walking to work.
Or, I feel tired today.
I feel tired today.
Great. Key phrase for step 1, right now.
Right now.
It helps your brain start. Example, right now, I am studying English.
Right now, I am studying English.
Nice. Another example, right now, I need water.
Right now, I need water.
Great. Now, speaking practice.
Okay, friends, get ready.
Friends, pause the video and answer out loud.
Yes, pause and speak out loud.
Question 1. Right now, where are you?
Pause the video and answer out loud.
Question 2. Right now, what are you doing?
Pause and answer out loud.
Question 3. Right now, how do you feel?
Pause and answer out loud.
Travis, your turn. Answer quickly.
Right now, I am here with you.
Good.
Right now, I am recording a lesson.
Nice.
Right now, I feel excited and a little nervous.
Perfect. That is real English.
Step 1 is simple. 2 minutes, self-talk.
Yes, your brain starts to switch to English mode.
Like turning on a light.
Exactly.
Step 2 is called Stop Translating, Start Using Chunks.
Chunks? Like chocolate chunks?
I wish, but no. Language chunks.
What is a chunk?
A chunk is a small group of words you use together.
Like a mini sentence?
Yes, or a common phrase. Many learners make one big mistake.
What mistake?
They translate word by word in their head.
Ah, yes, that's me.
That makes you slow and you feel stuck.
My brain is loading.
Exactly. So the better way is learn and use chunks.
Like ready-made English.
Yes, ready to use. Here are 2 very useful chunks. Chunk 1. I'm trying to.
I'm trying to.
Meaning, I want to do it and I am working on it.
Example,
I'm trying to speak English every day.
I'm trying to speak English every day.
Great. Chunk 2. I'm not sure, but.
I'm not sure, but.
Meaning, you don't have full confidence, but you will answer.
That is useful.
Yes. Example, I'm not sure, but I think it's Tuesday.
I'm not sure, but I think it's Tuesday.
Perfect. Now, speaking practice with chunks.
Friends, your turn.
Pause the video and answer out loud.
Use the chunk. Ready?
Question 1. What are you trying to do in English?
Pause and answer out loud. Say, I'm trying to.
Question 2. What is something you are not sure about today?
Pause and answer out loud. Say, I'm not sure, but.
Travis, answer.
I'm trying to speak faster.
Great. Add one more detail.
I'm trying to speak faster in conversations.
Nice upgrade.
I'm not sure, but I think I need more sleep.
Honest and natural. Step 2 goal. Stop building sentences from zero.
Use chunks like tools.
Yes, your brain loves shortcuts.
My brain loves shortcuts.
Everyone's brain does.
Step 3 is called shadowing. Copy the music of English.
Shadowing sounds cool.
It is cool and very effective.
What is it?
Shadowing means you listen and you speak at the same time, right after the speaker.
Like echo?
Yes, like an echo. Shadowing trains 3 things.
Listening, speaking, and speed.
Exactly. Also, pronunciation and rhythm.
Rhythm again.
Rhythm matters. Here is how to do it. Simple version.
Tell me.
Choose a short audio, 10 to 20 seconds.
Short is good.
Listen once.
Okay.
Then play it again and speak with it.
Speak with it.
Don't stop. Don't overthink. Just follow.
Like singing.
Yes, like singing. Key word for step 3, shadow.
Shadow.
Example sentence. I shadow English audio for 2 minutes.
I shadow English audio for 2 minutes.
Great! Now we will do mini shadowing together.
Friends, listen and repeat.
I will say a sentence, then you repeat.
Ready?
Sentence 1. I can practice English every day.
Repeat after Taylor.
Friends, repeat after me. I can practice English every day.
I can practice English every day.
Sentence 2. I don't need perfect English.
Repeat after me. I don't need perfect English.
Sentence 3. I want to speak with confidence.
Repeat after me. I want to speak with confidence.
Great job!
That felt good.
And it trains your mouth to move faster.
My mouth is learning English muscles.
Exactly. Speaking practice questions.
Friends, pause the video and answer out loud.
Question 1. How many minutes can you shadow each day?
Pause and answer out loud.
Question 2. What do you want to copy? Speed or pronunciation?
Pause and answer out loud.
Quick answer, Travis.
I can shadow for 2 minutes a day.
Good start.
I want to copy speed and rhythm.
Perfect. Step 4 is called Switch Your Life to Small English Moments.
Small moments?
Yes, your brain learns faster when English is part of your day.
Not just one big study time.
Exactly. Small moments, many times. Think of it like this.
Okay.
Your brain needs many short reps.
Like push-ups.
Yes, but English push-ups. Here are 3 easy English moments.
Let's hear.
Moment 1. One English sentence in the morning.
Like what?
Today, I will practice English.
Today, I will practice English.
Moment 2. One English note on your phone.
A note?
Yes, write one sentence. I'm trying to be consistent.
I'm trying to be consistent.
Moment 3. One English question to yourself at night.
Like, what did I do today?
Perfect. In English, what did I do today?
What did I do today?
Key phrase for step 4, I'm going to,
I'm going to.
meaning a plan for the near future.
Example,
I'm going to practice for 5 minutes.
I'm going to practice for 5 minutes.
Great. Now, speaking practice.
Friends, pause and speak.
Pause the video and answer out loud. Question 1. What are you going to do after this video?
Pause and answer out loud. Use I'm going to.
Question 2. When is your best English moment? Morning or night?
Pause and answer out loud.
Travis, your answers.
I'm going to write one English note.
Nice.
My best time is morning because my brain is fresh.
Great A2 sentence, because.
Thank you. I feel smart.
You are smart. Step 4 is about building a lifestyle.
English becomes normal.
Yes, normal English is the goal. Step 5 is called Speak Before You Feel Ready.
Oh no, that is scary.
It's scary, but it works.
My comfort zone is calling. It says, stay here.
We will go just a little outside the comfort zone.
Just a little. Okay.
Many learners wait for perfect English.
Perfect grammar, perfect words.
But perfect is not the goal.
Communication is the goal.
Yes, and confidence comes after you speak, not before.
That is true.
Key phrase for step 5. Can I say it a simple way?
Can I say it a simple way?
This phrase helps you when you feel stuck.
Nice. It buys time.
Yes, and it is polite. Example, can I say it a simple way? I need help.
Can I say it a simple way? I need help.
Perfect. Now we do repeat after me with 3 core sentences.
Friends, repeat out loud.
Sentence 1. I'm trying to think in English.
Repeat after me. I'm trying to think in English.
Sentence 2. I will speak even if it's not perfect.
Repeat after me. I will speak even if it's not perfect.
Sentence 3. I can practice with small daily habits.
Repeat after me. I can practice with small daily habits.
Great. Now we do a mini role play.
Yes, role play time.
Friends, listen first, then you can repeat with us.
This role play is about training your brain using simple English.
Hi, Travis. How is your English practice going?
Hi, Taylor. I'm trying to practice every day.
Nice. What do you do first?
First, I do self-talk. I say simple sentences.
Great. Like what?
Right now, I am making coffee.
Perfect. Do you translate in your head?
Yes, sometimes.
That's normal. Try using chunks.
Chunks like, I'm not sure, but
Exactly. And you can say, I'm not sure, but I will try.
I'm not sure, but I will try.
Great. Do you do shadowing?
A little. I shadow for 2 minutes.
That's enough to start. Keep it simple.
I'm going to shadow after dinner.
Nice plan. And when you feel nervous, what can you say?
Can I say it a simple way?
Yes, then speak, even if it's not perfect.
I will speak, even if it's not perfect.
Amazing. Your brain is learning.
My brain is sweating.
Good. That means it's training. Now, quick corrections. Very gentle.
Correction time.
If you say, I'm practice English, say, I practice English.
I practice English.
Great. If you say, I'm going to can do it, say, I'm going to do it, or I can do it.
I'm going to do it. I can do it.
Perfect. Now, speaking practice questions for step 5.
Friends, this is important.
Pause the video and answer out loud.
Ready?
Question 1. What is one chunk you will use today?
Pause and answer out loud.
Question 2. When will you do 2 minutes of shadowing?
Pause and answer out loud.
Question 3. What will you say when you feel stuck?
Pause and answer out loud.
Travis, your answers.
I will use I'm trying to.
Great.
I will do shadowing in the morning.
Nice.
When I feel stuck, I will say, can I say it a simple way?
Perfect. That is strong and simple. Now let's review steps 1 to 5.
Quick review.
Step 1. Warm up your English brain with self-talk.
2 minutes, right now.
Step 2. Stop translating and use chunks.
I'm trying to. I'm not sure, but.
Step 3. Shadowing. Copy the music of English.
Short audio. 2 minutes, repeat.
Step 4. Small English moments in your day.
I'm going to. Make English normal.
Step 5. Speak before you feel ready.
Can I say it a simple way? Then speak.
If you do these steps, your brain will change.
Slowly, but surely.
Yes, consistency beats intensity.
Small steps win.
Friends, thank you for practicing with us today.
You did great, truly.
Remember, your English does not need to be perfect.
It needs to be real.
Now, please like the video if it helped you.
Subscribe to Learn English with Taylor for daily practice.
And share it with a friend who wants to speak English.
Okay, comment challenge time.
Yes, comment question. What is your daily English habit?
Write one sentence in the comments.
For example, I shadow for 2 minutes.
Or, I do self-talk in the morning.
We can't wait to read your comments.
See you next time, friends.
Bye, everyone. Keep going.